my friend. We're going to Cheesecake. I was supposed to be there at 7:30. It's 7:28. I'm running late, but I'm gonna make it because she said she's running late too. So that worked out. But I'll see y'all when I get to the mall because I'm not trying to drop my freaking camera on this bike. Bye. Wow, on a weekday they busy like this?
No. It's the only one in Southeast Asia, so...
Oh, wow. We made it to Cheesecake, guys. Oh, it's dark in here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog, but let's see.
I've seen one empty on that side.
New table. Yeah, we need some light. Thank you. Thank you. Kapun ka. Cheesecake Factory.
Fried cauliflower. And some water for now, please. Yeah? And some water. Water. Yeah.
You want a bottle or tap water?
A bottle, please.
Okay, bottle we have 50 natural water and some original.
Pardon?
We have a 50 natural water and sparkling water.
Natural water. Natural water.
Anything else?
Can I have the passion mint fish?
Passion mint dip.
Yeah. And then can I have the crab cake? Do you recommend the crab bites or the crab cake? You like that one better?
Yeah. And I'm in the cupcake. Anything else?
No.
No? Okay, and we check to order. Panconi and cheese, ball this one. Cauliflower this one. And cupcake.
Can I change my drink, please? I'll have Fanta orange.
Fanta orange.
To get the water. You can bring tap water then.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, do you have any allergy food?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you this one.
The Oreo in the middle. They have another Oreo one?
No, it's layers of vanilla, chocolate cake, vanilla cheesecake, and chocolate cake again.
Oh yeah, that's intense. Oh, this one looked good in the back with the caramel. I think that one's chocolate caramelicious cheesecake with Snickers.
That one at the bottom, I think that's
Yeah.
Snickers.
The carrot cake looks good too in the back. I love a good carrot. Oh, look at the Cinnabon. I don't know. The Cinnabon one looked too white for me.
It looks what?
Like, it don't look like no flavor.
There's a lot of frosting.
Yeah.
Cream cheese one.
I think I'm leaning towards the carrot cake.
Okay.
We'll see though. They don't have Lotus.
No.
I love like Biscoff,
That's
you know?
dulce de leche, which is kind of similar, but not
Yeah.
quite. But I would say that's the closest thing.
You get all the flavors. So many. Oh wow, you can buy the whole cake. You want one of these for your birthday?
Man, so hard to decide.
I know. Back to the table we go. My nose. Uh-oh. Damn. I left my bag at the table. I know, that's what I was thinking too. He said that they have to order a new part for it. Just a girl. I'm literally just a girl.
I love that.
Wait, look at my phone case too.
Oh, cute.
Literally just a girl.
That's real cute.
Thank you, thank you. Alright, they brought the drink. Passion fizz. I know, I gotta get a pic.
Oh my days. I've been thinking about this Cheesecake Factory the whole day.
Oh my god. You knew you wanted to come here.
Okay, cheers.
Woo. Cheers. Oh wait, I think we need to do it again. Wait. Again. What?
Is that in frame?
Yes. Better.
Right. Would you like to do the honors with the breads?
Alright. I like the regular. What about you?
The brown bread for me.
Perfect.
It's nice and sweet. It's so good.
It's sweet. I don't know. I don't think I've had it.
Right.
Yeah.
It's real good. Whenever I order, I'm just like, only the whole wheat bread. I don't want that sourdough.
Today at work, they pissed me off. So you know, today's payday, last day of the month. So like earlier in the week, they text us like, oh, you can go pick your check up at the HR department on Wednesday after 4 or at 4 or whatever. Today, I swear, at like 3:30, they're gonna email like, oh, we have to push it back. Can you guys please come tomorrow 9 a.m.
What the heck?
Like, what if someone has spent their last money thinking they're getting paid?
Exactly.
Like,
Exactly. And
what if I have shit to do today? Like,
exactly. And also checks take some time to process, so that's even more of a delay. What's the reasoning?
there was no. Yeah. They said tomorrow 9 a.m. they should be ready. And what if they're not?
They better compensate.
I doubt it.
But you're okay until tomorrow though, right?
Why, you want to give me $1 million?
I mean, I know a guy. He knows a guy.
I don't want to do nothing strange for a little thing.
Oh god. Make sure you try it with the butter.
The brown one?
With the butter.
Uh-oh.
I know y'all like to say butter
We knew.
and water.
That's how the waitress said it. When he was like, water.
Yeah.
He's like, water.
Huh?
Water.
But you know what I mean. So, let's talk Holy 40. What was your first impressions when you read the PDF?
I liked it. And I like how for each rule, you know, she like goes in depth on like, you know, how she did it.
Yeah.
So,
And there's a Bible verse to support it.
what about you?
There's something I wanted to do a few months ago. That's when I first found out about it. But I wasn't in the right frame of mind. And I was just like, this is a cool idea, but
Like, you know you wasn't going to stay committed.
I was like, there's no point. Not right now.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you. Is it possible to get more brown
Got
bread?
crab cake,
Thank you so much.
cauliflower, fried mac and cheese balls. I'm going to start with the mac and cheese balls.
Okay, good choice.
Ready? Wait, I'm saying ready. You already tried it before.
Bon appetit.
This is what it looks like, guys. Fried mac and cheese balls. I'm scared.
Don't be. Make sure you get some of the marinara sauce.
Okay. My skirt is all the way up. I feel it. You know when you just feel the breeze? Me too. Oh. Wow. Where do I begin? Okay. Put a little marinara on there. Alright. Let's see. 1, 2. That was good.
Yay or
That was
nay?
good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good. Korean cauliflower. So good.
Right?
It tastes like bang bang shrimp. You ever had that? Guys, look. My stomach expanded like 3 times the size. No more room for cheesecake. Plates cleared. Except the crab cake, but hey, we're not looking at that right now.